Welcome to the Java session. So in this video we will discuss the features of Java programming language. Okay, the first one is compiled and interpreted. Okay, the first one that is compiled and interpreted. Interpreted. So here this is the first feature. Basically the computer language is either compiled or interpreted. So what do you mean by here compile and interpreter? The difference between the compiler and interpreter is compiler takes the entire program and converts it into the object code, which is the stored in a file. Okay. Whereas in terms of the interpreter, it directly executes the instructions written in the programming languages without converting programming language into a object code or machine code. So I will repeat once again. Interpreter directly executes the instructions written in programming or script language without converting them into a object code or machine code. Whereas the compiler, it takes the entire program, and converts it into object code, which is stored in a file. So in Java, it comes with this both approach. The first one is the compiler and interpreter. Java supports both compiler and interpreter. Next one is platform independent. Platform independent. Here, Java programs, platform independent means Java programs can be easily moved from one machine to another machine or anywhere. Okay, so we can copy the code of Java and paste it to other machine. Okay, no problem, not an issue. Okay, changes and upgrading the operating system processor and system will not be for any alteration Java. Because means you can write once and run anywhere. You can run the Java program in any system. Write once, run anywhere. Whereas platform dependent, the programs you have to write the program to run in different machine. Okay, suppose I have file, that is the C file I have written or typed in the Linux operating system. So I want to run the same program in Windows. We need to rewrite the program and execute the same. So this is called a platform dependent. Platform dependent. Whereas the platform independent means in Java, you can write anywhere, type anywhere, and run in other operating system. Not an issue. Okay, that's what we call write once and run anywhere. Okay, next one is object oriented. Object oriented. Java is object oriented language. Almost everything is an object. All program code and data exist in object and classes in form of the object and classes. Java comes with the extension set of classes and organized in packages that can be used in program by the inheriting them. The object model in Java is the trouble-free and easy to enlarge. So Java supports a feature that is object oriented. Next is robust and secure. Robust and secure. Here, Java is the most strong language which provides the many securities to make such a reliable code. It is a designed as garbage collected language which helps the programmer virtually from all memory management problems and Java Java also includes a concept of exception which detect the serious error and reduce the all kind of the threat of the crashing the system. In terms of security is a important feature of Java. So this is the strong result that programmer use this language for the programming on internet. And the absence of pointers in Java ensure that program cannot get a right of entry memory allocation without any proper approval. Next one is the distributed. Java called as the distributed language for construct the application one network which can contribute both the data and programs. Java applications can open and access a remote object on internet easily. Okay, with Java programs, with Java applications, with help of the Java applications, we can access the remote object which is reside in the server. We can access the server data. Okay. Next one is simple and small. Simple. Java is a very small and simple language. Java does not use pointers and we can say that what we the header files and go to etc. And it removed in Java. The developers have removed the operator overloading concept and multiple inheritance. Okay, there is no any such kind of pointers and complex topics. We can say that pointer is a bit complex in C programming as well as C++. It will difficult to understand for the beginners. Okay. Java in Java there is no any pointers and operator overloading. So it is a what? It is simple. Next one is multithreaded. Multithreading means managing the multiple tasks simultaneously. Java maintains the multithreaded programs. That means we need not to wait for the application to complete one task before starting the next task. This feature is helpful for the graphics applications, for we can say that in gaming applications. Okay, so this is the another feature that is multithreaded. In multithreaded, it means we need not to wait for the application to be complete one task before starting the next. Okay, so this features is helpful for the graphics type of applications. Next is high performance.